Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to check Amazon subscriptions. So, let's dive into it. Open your web browser and go to the Amazon website at amazon.com. It will take you to the Amazon homepage. Sign in to your Amazon account if you haven't already by enter your Amazon account credentials. Once signed in, hover over the account and list drop-down menu located at the top right corner of the homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Memberships and Subscriptions option. It will take you to Amazon's Memberships and Subscriptions page. Here, you'll see a list of your current subscriptions, including Prime, Audible Audiobooks, Kindle Unlimited, and any other subscriptions you may have. Click on each subscription to view more details, such as billing information and renewal dates. And there you have it. With this method, you can check Amazon subscriptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.